guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Pelsee P12 Pro MAX mirror dash cam. This is a dual channel dash cam with 4K resolution for the front and 2.5K resolution for the rear. It also has a 12-inch touchscreen which doubles as a rearview mirror, collision detection, voice controls, and a variety of other features that we'll discuss. Now, this is a review sample that was sent to us at no cost from the wonderful people over at Pelsee, so thank you, shout out to y'all. However, as with all of our reviews, we're gonna give you an unbiased look at this dash cam. So let's dive in and start with the unboxing. The cameras come packaged in a box, featuring an image of the mirror dash cam on the front. The main features are highlighted, showing the 12-inch screen, 4K and 2.5K resolutions, and the collision detection feature. Legal information along with the email address for technical support and the URL for the Pelsee website are shown on the back of the box. After removing the slip cover and taking off the top, you're going to be greeted with the 4K mirror dash cam protected in a transparent film and secured in place with black foam. This camera offers a 170-degree view. Lifting the camera up is going to allow us to gain access to all of the accessories that come with it. So first, we have the GPS unit, which allows the camera to track both location and speed. It has double-sided tape on it to make it easy to mount securely. Next, we have the 2.5K rear camera, which has an AV plug that inserts into the front camera. The red wire can be used to tap into the reverse light on your vehicle so that the rear camera activates whenever the car is placed into reverse. This camera offers a 150-degree view and it's also waterproof, so it can be mounted outside the vehicle with no problem. Then we have the 12-volt power cable. This is also a USB-C plug. The back of the plug doubles as a USB port, so this allows you to power another device like your phone if you choose to do so. And last but not least, we have the instructions, a cleaning cloth, a trim panel pry tool, 2 sets of mounting straps, and a 64GB SD card to store all of the dash cam footage on. The mirror dash cam comes with a protective film covering the screen. The film includes 2 tips. First, advising that the mirror dash cam will go to sleep in 1 minute after startup to ensure a safe trip. Then, letting you know to adjust the front lens after you install it to ensure that you have a clear view of the road. On the rear of the dash cam, we get a view of the serial number and the metal heatsink, which ensures the internal components don't overheat even with extended use. On the top, we can see the USB-C port for power, the AV port for the rear camera, the SD card slot, and the GPS unit port. We can also see the 4 mounting points that the rubber straps will connect to in order to secure the camera to the existing rearview mirror in the vehicle. On the bottom, you can see the dual microphones along with a button that allows you to manually turn the screen on or off. After removing the film, we can see the reflection of the mirror surrounded by a chrome bezel. The dash cam feels pretty sturdy and well built. Now, let's move on to the installation. Installing the mirror dash cam is actually simple. So first, decide on how you want to run the wires. They can be tucked into the vehicle's headliner and behind the trim panels. Using the trim panel removal tool will make this a lot easier. Each vehicle is different, so choose the route that's best for you. My vehicle already had a USB-C hardwire kit, so I'm using that instead of the 12-volt charging cable. This is going to allow me to take advantage of the parking mode feature if I choose to do so. You can mount the rear camera inside of your vehicle or outside because, like I said before, it is waterproof. I chose to mount it outside of the vehicle directly above the rear license plate. We tapped into the driver's side tail light in order to use the backup camera feature, although this is completely optional. Choose the best location for your vehicle when mounting the rear camera. I mounted the GPS unit on the front passenger side dash so that it has a clear view of the sky in order to receive a strong signal. Once all the wires are run, make sure that you have inserted the SD card into the dash cam. You have 2 sets of rubber mounting straps. You'll want to choose the set that offers the best fit for your particular rearview mirror. Start by attaching the straps to the upper mounting brackets. Then position the dash cam directly over your rearview mirror, making sure that the camera lens is positioned where it has a clear view. Then simply pull the straps down and attach them to the lower mounting brackets. Note that there are 2 different connection points on the straps to choose from to get the most secure fit. Now position the mirror where you need it in order to have a clear view out the back window. Next, we're ready to power the dash cam on. So after powering the camera up, adjust the lens for the best angle. You can cycle between camera views by swiping to the left or swiping to the right. When viewing either the front or rear camera, you can also swipe up or down to adjust your view. The camera immediately begins recording on power up. You can stop recording by pressing the red circle and go into the settings menu to adjust all of the different settings to your liking. You can refer to the user manual for complete details on all the settings and what they control, but we'll discuss a few key things that you'll need to do. So first, in order to use the Pelsee app, Wi-Fi needs to be turned on, so we'll do that now. Selecting About in the settings menu allows us to see the Wi-Fi name and default password that you'll use to connect your phone to the dash cam. You'll want to change the password once you connect the app. We'll discuss the Pelsee app in more detail shortly. Next, you can set up the default booting display. This determines which camera feature is shown after powering the dash cam up. You can have both cameras shown as split screen or opt for either just the front or rear camera. You'll also want to set the date and time now. You can have it set to display in either 12 or 24 hours. If you're using the backup camera feature, you'll want to go in and calibrate the reversing lines. Again, refer to the user manual for all other settings. If you want to view files, you can press the video button. From here, you can select which camera you want to view files from. Once selected, you could choose regular video files, locked video files, or click the image button to view saved pictures. Select the file you want to view and click on it to begin playing. You can also view in full screen mode. Tapping on the camera icon allows you to snap a still image. Tapping the microphone allows you to mute or unmute the microphones. Tapping the lock button allows you to manually lock the file that's currently being recorded. This is going to make sure that the file is not overwritten, as the camera does record in a loop, recording over the oldest unlocked footage when all the space on the SD card is used up. You can set the brightness level by dragging the slider at the top of the screen to the left or right. On the left of the screen, you can see your direction of travel and miles or kilometers per hour if you have the GPS unit connected. Tapping the voice commands icon is going to bring up a list of all the commands that you can use. This feature is especially useful for snapping pictures and locking video files while you're driving. After giving commands, the dash cam confirms your selection. Now, let's take a look at some footage that I recorded on the dash cam during both day and nighttime. To view the footage that's recorded on the dash cam, you can either use the Pelsee app on your phone or the DV Player software, which can be downloaded via a link found on the Pelsee website. This software will actually work on both PC and Mac. If you have a hardwire kit installed, you can use parking mode so that the cameras are on 24/7 and triggered by movement on the vehicle. So while in this mode, the cameras record in a time-lapse mode to help prevent draining the battery too quickly. So that is the Pelsee P12 Pro MAX mirror dash camera. If you're interested in purchasing one, we did put a link to our Amazon storefront in the description of this video. Keep in mind, we do earn a commission on sales, so you'll be helping support the channel while also getting an awesome dash cam. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment if you are interested in this dash cam, if you think you might want to give it a try. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Click that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a video. Thank you all for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and we'll see you on the next video.